Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we are diving into what we believe is the best long-handled dustpan on the market, the Carlisle FoodService Products duop-pan upright dustpan. If you're tired of struggling with dusty messes and spills, this product promises to transform your cleaning routine with its innovative design and practical features. The Carlisle duop-pan is designed to offer efficient cleanup through a unique pivoting mechanism that allows the dustpan to pivot upward. This means once you sweep up debris, you can easily transport it without worrying about spills or dust escaping along the way. This feature alone sets it apart from traditional dustpans that tend to tip and scatter dust while being emptied. One of the standout features is the serrated yoke with a rotating, notched design. This clever mechanism allows you to remove dust and debris from your broom without touching it, eliminating the need for gloves or direct hand contact. It's a cleaner, more hygienic way to sweep that saves time and keeps your hands free from dirt. The dustpan's low-profile edge is designed to hug the floor closely, making sure it picks up even the tiniest particles for a more thorough cleaning. This means no more leaving behind stray crumbs or dust bunnies. Whether you're cleaning a kitchen floor, lobby, or office space, this dustpan ensures precision and effectiveness. Another smart design element is the locking pan head. After you've gathered the dust and debris, the pan securely locks into place, preventing any accidental spills during transport or disposal. This locking feature makes emptying the dustpan hassle-free and neat, ideal for both home and commercial use. Made from durable black plastic, the dustpan measures 30 inches, providing ample width for quick sweeping without sacrificing maneuverability. Its sturdy plastic handle and blade are built for longevity, even with heavy everyday use in busy environments like restaurants, offices, or kitchens. Versatility is key with this dustpan. It is suitable for a variety of settings, from residential homes to commercial spaces. Its design addresses common pain points such as mess, manual effort, and efficiency, making it a practical cleaning tool for any situation. In summary, the Carlisle FoodService Products duop-pan upright dustpan offers a combination of smart engineering and user-friendly features that elevate it beyond your average dustpan. The pivoting design, serrated yoke, low-profile edge, and locking mechanism come together to make cleanup easier, faster, and cleaner. If you're looking for a long-handled dustpan that can handle a variety of cleaning challenges with ease and reliability, this one deserves your attention. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest product reviews and insights.